for Davidson County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Department of Emergency Management. Davidson County is currently going through a set of severe weather. A possible second tornado may be on the ground near Nashville. Please evacuate now. This is an evacuation order. Evacuate Davidson County now. If you cannot evacuate, shelter in a very secure building. If there is no building nearby, seek shelter in the securest spot nearby. If you cannot find a location to shelter, lie down in the nearest ditch and stay as low as possible. Please remain evacuated as the day after tomorrow a possible blizzard may begin. Thank you for your cooperation. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system and the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. An urgent weather message for the following county: Davidson. Tornado emergency for Davidson County. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, 2 confirmed large and destructive tornadoes were located in Davidson County nearest to Nashville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Davidson County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornadoes and grapefruit-size hail. Source: public. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornadoes will be near Nashville around 6:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Nashville, Brentwood, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Thompson Station, Green Hill, Millersville, Ashland City, Pleasant View, Shackle Island, Belmead, Gladeville, Ridgetop, Pegram, Berry Hill, and Rural Hill. This includes portions of Interstate 65, Interstate 24, and Interstate 40 in Davidson County. A tornado watch remains in effect until 12 p.m. tomorrow for Middle Tennessee. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. To repeat, 2 large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornadoes are on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.